split, so I don't wanna split, I don't wanna be a top. Think about other roles. How do you play 6-4? Okay, how do you play 6-3?
Good morning, and when I say morning, I really mean morning this time because as you remember, I like long sleeps. I like to wake up at 10 or 11 a.m. and then just get breakfast, get just relaxed before the tournament starts. But here the action starts at 10. Actually, just the mochi seminar was at 10, so just wanted to attend it for a bit, as well as wanted to get the breakfast before. I want to use this moment to talk about little things which are worth to mention. You can see the boards, you can see the board, the beautiful colors, right? I really like colors. I really like when something is matching, especially I like the combination of black, white and red. That's just something what I really like. Then we've got the checkers, where you can see the mind skills as well as the logo of the mind skill, one of each other. The only thing what I would probably change is like the material. I mean, it's nice to look at it, but I like those, you know, when it just fits, when it's just beautiful, and when you can feel the nice touch of it. Next thing what you probably could have seen are the trophies. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen more amazing trophies, and currently I'm not in a position to win any, so I still need to work on that. One of the recaps, what I want to do is that, as again, today there's going to be a mega jackpot, which is going to be over $1,000 entry fee, and in the evening there will be a super jackpot. So, well, 2 more chances to catch a trophy. Tonight or today, sometime in the afternoon, we will start the doubles. We will continue the doubles. There is right now 23 teams left. So I think we need like 3 or 4 wins to catch a trophy and maybe win the tournament. That would be nice, of course. Updates about the main tournament. So after 6 rounds, there's only 58 players. Mochi's got 2 losses, so 1 last life. And as mentioned yesterday, Jeff Hall, Tony Bernaba and Frank Talbot who beat us in the 3rd round. He survived and won everything since then as well. So they got 1 loss, so pretty exciting. I think today there will be like 4 rounds to be played. So it will really reach maybe like last 10 players, last 10 undefeated. The only thing what I want to do right now is to go upstairs, hop into the shower, just get 1 hour of sleep or just lie in bed, relax and prepare myself psychologically. Then we'll continue with doubles. And I think I mixed it up because it's not a super jackpot or mega jackpot here. It's called Super Bonanza and Mega Bonanza, as nothing can be associated with gamble here right now. So it's super not super jackpot, Super Bonanza. Bonanza, I have to translate what it means so I understand it well, because, well, difficult for me to adjust. I just wanted to mention this for the moment where I win the trophy, so you are not surprised that there is Bonanza instead of jackpot.
Is there anybody in the room that knows how to count?
Alright, reporting live from the table. Thank you, Patrick, for the announcement. We are here with Kevin, who is my doubles partner. We are crushing the doubles. We won our third round, and right now we are gonna play against the world champion Nevzat. So far, he's not here. I hope he shows up. Otherwise, it will be a very, very unlucky, well, lucky win for us, but something what we don't want to do. Here they are very, very strict with the tournament rules because everything needs to start on time. So there can be a dinner break as it's just 1 hour, and then super jackpot and mega jackpot starts. Oh, super bonanza and mega bonanza. So that's it. Let's win. I think they are here, so let's keep going.
Who do you think is going to win the game?
Start of the super jackpot. It's end of the day too. Since the 5 p.m. we recorded the last one where we are about to play Nevzat. Well, we lost that, and since then we just haven't stopped. We won our super jackpot at 8 p.m. Then immediately at 10:30 it was a long round. We played the mega jackpot. We won 11-10, an exciting DMP. We were down 7-2. We had an interesting decision at 2-3 down. We got the cube where opener had a double shot. If he hits, there's a good chance we lose the gammon. If he misses, we're gonna win the game. Well, we took the cube and we lost the gammon. So we were down 2-7. We came up to 10-8, 10-9, DMP. We won. Opponent missed the last shot luckily, so we're done for the day. Besides we lost the doubles, we've done pretty well. We were pretty happy because we are in last 16 in the mega jackpot, mega bonanza, as well as super jackpot last 50 players. So tomorrow it continues. Tomorrow should be last chance, mega bonanza, super bonanza. There's everything gonna be finishing because, well, it should be last day, but everything seems like to be in the middle. So I'm very interested how this is gonna work out. Anyways, going to finish some interview right now and rest for tomorrow, because tomorrow at 10 a.m. there's a seminar mastering the cube action by myself. So I really need to get some sleep because usually, again, waking up at 11 a.m. tomorrow needs to do it a little bit early because it's gonna be